Very interesting topic that we are going to discuss now is capital treatment with three concepts. One is simple, transparent, and comparable. Securitization. It's really important for every bank to do transactions who are really simple to understand. Transparent means there is no hidden objectives, and it's comparable against the best practices. Our discussion will include a lot of topics. We'll generally discuss the overview, and then we will move towards incorporating the Basel Committee for Banking Supervision, IOSCO standards, that is the criteria into the capital framework, how it goes, how it look like. I will put more highlights on that. What are the considerations when you are going to adopt the STC criteria, where you are going to make things more transparent, clear, and comparable. Proposed revisions that has happened in 2014 to the frameworks in terms of QIS, what are the monitoring periods, what could be the further steps. This is we will see, and also we will discuss certain type of risk. Asset risk is very important, structural risk, fiduciary risk, which create a faith or non-faith situation, service risks, additional criteria for capital purposes. All this will be the part of our discussion onwards.